Sedimentation and decantation. This is an old method to purify water. Water is allowed to stand still untouched for a few hours to allow the heavy insoluble impurities in it settle down at the bottom of the vessel. This is called the sedimentation. The clean water on top is then gently poured into another container. This process is called the decantation. Sedimentation and decantation means this is an old method of purifying water. Water is allowed to stand still and untouched for a few hours. Then what happened? The heavy insoluble impurities will be there in that water. In it settled down at the bottom of the vessel. It is called the sedimentation. Now the clean water on the top of is then gently poured into another vessel. The clean water on the top of that vessel is gently poured into another vessel. This process is called the decantation. Chlorination. Adding a certain chemical to water to kill germs is called the chlorination. Chlorination is frequently used, especially in a big water tanks and swimming pools. However, chlorine water is also likely to cause some skin-related diseases and thus has certain disadvantages. Adding certain chemical to water to kill germs is called the chlorination. Chlorination is frequently used, especially in big water tanks and in swimming pools. Chlorine water is also likely to cause some skin-related diseases and thus has certain disadvantages too. This is a system of purification water for public supplies. This is the sedimentation tank, means here water stored and the impurities are settled down. Heavy insoluble impurities are settled down in this tank. Filtration tank. It is the filtration tank. Next, water goes to the chlorination chamber. This is the chlorination chamber. Then after this one, clean drinking water will come. Chlorination chamber to drink clean drinking water. Filtration. These days, most of people make use of filter to strain or filter out impurities in water. When water is passed through the filter, the impurities present in it stick to the filter candles, thereby letting a clean water pass through. Filter. These days, most people make use of these filters. Filters to strain or filter out impurities in water. When water is passed through the filter, the impurities present in water, it stick to the filter candle. It is the filter candle, thereby letting clean water pass through. Now boiling. When water is boiled for about 20 minutes, the germs present in it are killed. Boiled water must be then stored in a clean vessels and bottles. It is advisable to use boiled water for the drinking purpose. Boiling water. When water is boiled for about 20 minutes, the germs present in that water are killed. Boiled water must be then be stored in clean vessels or clean bottles. This one advising doctors when you are sick, when you are not feeling well. When you are suffering from cough, cold, fever, that time doctor advising you boil the water and drink, because of boiling kills the germs present in that water. Understood, no kids? Now we'll see, we need water for our daily use. We must therefore handle it carefully. Means what will take steps to use water carefully, how to preserve it. Okay? Golden rules for handling water, how to handle the water. Always use clean vessels with a lid to store water. Use a proper ladle to take out water from the container. Wash your hands before touching the glass and the ladle. Always turn the tap off when not in use. Repair leakage tap immediately. Washing fruits, vegetables in a big bowls and then use that water for watering plants will be a better idea than a wash them under a running tap. Take a shorter shower or fill your buckets with the water rather than taking a long shower. Some golden rules for handling water. Always use clean vessels with a lid to store water, and use a proper ladle to take out water from the container. Wash your hands before touching the glass and the ladle. When you want water to drink or for some purpose wash your hands before touching the glass, any vessels and the ladle. Always turn the tap when not in use. Again, repair the leakaging of taps immediately. Don't let it be flow. Washing fruits, vegetables in a big bowl. Then use that water for watering plants. Will be better idea than to wash them under a running water. Now last one, take a short shower or fill your buckets with water rather than taking a long shower. This type we handle water. These are the golden rules for handling the waters. When we use these rules, we use the water properly, then we are not having any problem about waters, and our health also remain good. Understood, my kids? So we need water for our daily use, so we must therefore handle it carefully. So today our lesson over. You read the lesson and write down all new words, learn that one. Understood, no kids? Thank you for watching the video.